Hi, I'm Sally Rundle, and I've been attending Tony's Soulmates course today. Well, I came up from Adelaide because I just love Tony, so I knew she was running this course and I thought I have to be here, and it's been wonderful. So, well, I think on this journey of like self-awareness and personal growth and being the best version of myself, I've learnt about a bit more about patterns and the notion of bruises and how they show up, to be reconciled and healed in the different relationships that we have. I really love hearing people's stories and kind of making sense of how things have shown up in other people's lives and mine as well. And I really love Tony's energy. She's just so gorgeous. I love her way she presented and the way she put the day together. And we ended with a really beautiful guided meditation into meeting a soulmate, which was absolutely beautiful. And I really got a lot from that and this sense of this new relationship coming towards me, which is very exciting. I'm looking forward to that. So thank you, Tony. Love you. Love everything you do.